Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to share with you guys our top 3 most effective DIY hair oil to stop hair fall. So number 1 is the coconut oil and curry leaves. For this remedy, you will need curry leaves and coconut oil. You will need about a handful of curry leaves. Start by extracting the leaves from the branch, and then you will need a pan. Make sure to use a pan that you don't use a lot. And then you'll need to add about 1 to 2 cups of coconut oil, enough to cover the leaves. Then proceed to adding the curry leaves into the bowl or pan, and make sure to cook it on medium to low. Now you will see that your oil has actually turned green, as you can see on the screen. It changed color. So yeah, that's number 2 is neem leaves and coconut oil. Now this one I recently discovered about it, and some people tried it out and found some significant results with it, like their hair stopped falling. Now you will need neem leaves and coconut oil for this. And first off, you have to proceed in the same way like the curry leaves. You have to extract the leaves from the branch, and then I usually chop them up because it takes a lot of time if you just put it like this in the oil. So make sure to chop all of them. It should not be too finely, but avoid big chunk of the leaves. Then in a bowl or in a pan, add the about 1 to 2 cups of coconut oil. Then add your leaves to it. Now again, as with the curry leaves, you have to cook it on medium to low flame. Make sure to continuously stir it, and then you will start noticing that the oil actually changed color, and that's the time that you have to actually stop frying it. Last but not the least, the most popular one is the onion juice with aloe vera gel and olive oil. Now this one is the most effective one. Many people comment down in the video, under the video, and tell me how much this remedy helped them in stopping their hair fall. So make sure to try out this one. So for this one, you will need 1 onion, a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, followed by 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So you need to start by chopping or grating the onion to extract the maximum juice possible. You can also add the dices of the onion to marinate the oil. So basically you have to take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, followed by the onion juice and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredients well. So choose any one of these remedies and apply it 3 times a week, 1 hour prior to washing your hair. Massage it very deeply into your scalp and on your hair. So yeah, that's all we got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the little notification bell. Till next, take care.